Welcome back to my channel. Here we're going to be working on the construction of the right end elevation, as we have worked on the sectional front elevation in this mechanical drawing work that we are doing. So we are given 30 questions. We are asked to draw sectional front elevation along plane MM, so which is what we have done here. Now we want to work on the right end elevation, and we are going to have another video for the plan. So let's work on the right end elevation. So we are looking at this assembling of the part in this direction. So we are going to place the right end elevation on the right side of the front elevation as we are drawing the views in first angle orthographic projection. Alright, so looking at the object in this direction, so what we see around here is what we are going to produce here. So this is how it goes. So let's work this way. So what we have to do here first is that we are going to extend this horizontal line. So we extend this horizontal line, then I will come to this point here. So come to this point, so I will draw horizontal line. So from this point, so I will draw it here to this side, okay. Then I will come to this point up here, so I will draw horizontal line from here to this side, and then so coming to this point, so I will draw horizontal line from here, and lastly at this point here I will draw horizontal line. So let's start first of all, so get the part of this particular component. So before we add that of the both the washer and also this adjustable vertical slide. So let's work on this part first. Okay, so now what is the length on the end elevation? So we come to the plan here. So distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. So that's the distance that we are going to make use of. So I'm going to draw a vertical line moving away a little bit. So I will draw a vertical line here. So draw a vertical line from here down. Okay, then I will come here, take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters here. Okay, 60 millimeters, we have it here. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here also, okay. So we have this. Alright, so with what we have here now, when I'm looking at it in this direction, so I'm not going to see this, I will see a line at this point, just a straight line at this point, and that is the line that we have drawn here. So this line now, so the line that we have here, so we make it a thick line. So I want us to work that out at once. So we make this line a thick line from here to this end here. Okay, so we have this line as a thick line. Then a line at this point, so will be hidden from me. So we are going to make this line a short dashes line. So we make it a short dashes line, so like this. So short dashes line is used for hidden detail. So that will be hidden. And then at this point, this will also be hidden from me. So we also make this one, we make it short dashes line. Okay. Alright, so we have this. Then a line at this point will also be hidden from me. So we also make this line, we make it a short dashes line. Okay. Alright, so we have this. Then this line, I will see it as a straight line. So we see it as a straight line. So it goes like this. Okay. And looking at what we have here, a part of it will be hidden. So let's leave this one for now. So a part of it will be hidden. Let's leave it for now. So let's get the midpoint of the whole of this 60. Let's get the midpoint of the whole of this 60 so that we can bring this in. So this is 30. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. So from here up, vertical center line up. Alright, so we have this now. So coming here now, so we need to get this point. So this point on the adjustable vertical slide. So we need to draw horizontal line. So from here, so we draw horizontal line from here. So it goes like this. Okay, so we have it here. All right, so let's get the thickness. So it is 30 millimeters in width. So its width is shown here in the end elevation of the adjusted vertical slide. It is 30 millimeters. So I will take 15 millimeters on this line, 15 millimeters to the left side, and also 15 millimeters to the right side to make it 30. So 30 millimeters. So I will draw a vertical line. So coming to this point here, so I'm going to draw a vertical line here. Okay, then coming to this point, I will draw a vertical line. All right, so we have this now. So let's work on this part here. So I'll come to this point here. So from here I will draw a horizontal line to this side, and then coming to this point, I will also draw a horizontal line. Then for this circle here, I will draw a horizontal line. So there's supposed to be a center line here, so we didn't put it there in the front elevation or sectional front elevation, so I put it now. And then we also draw a horizontal line at this point to this side. All right, so we have this now. So so let's work on the part of the adjustable vertical slide that will be ticking. So this line, so from here up will be a thick line. So from here up be a thick line. Okay, all right, and then on this side we also have the same thing, it will be a thick line. All right, so then this line here, so this line will also be a thick line. Okay, and then coming up here, so this line will be a thick line from here to here. And then so this will be a short dashes line for the circle that we see here. So it will be a hidden line, so hidden detail of the adjustable vertical slide. So for the hole that we have there, so we draw with short dashes line as I'm doing it here. So we have this now. So then this line, there is a line at this point that will also be hidden. So we also draw it with short dashes line as we have here. All right, so we have that. So then the next thing that we are going to do here is that let's create this part that we have here. So this part, let's create it. So as we have it here, so we already have the center. So this is the second center. The first center is here. So let's draw a line from the center line that we have here for this down one. So we draw this center line. Okay, all right, so we have this, and then we come here, so we also draw this center line. All right, so we have this now. So what we are to do now, so the radius here is 5, diameter is 10 for this curve that we have here. So we take that 5, so we take that 5, though it's a small radius, but we take that 5, so this is 5 millimeters. Okay, then we put at this point, so we gently draw the semicircle, so it goes like this. All right, so we have it here, and then there is one down here, but let's wait. So let me keep this. So we draw that later. Now what we are going to do here now is that I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point. So draw a vertical line from this point down. Okay, so I will also draw a vertical line from this point down. All right, so then I want to place the washer. So let's place the washer. So the washer has a diameter of 24, so its radius is 12. So, and that's the same center as that of the bolt. So we take a measurement of 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. So putting it at the center here, so it will be a circle, a complete circle like this. So we have this circle. Okay, so this is how the washer this is how its end will be. Okay, and then so another thing that we have here, so for us to construct the hexagonal head of the boat, so the distance across corner is 20, so we take 10, so 10 millimeters, so this is 10 millimeters, so putting at this center also, so we draw a circle, like this. So having drawn the circle, we divide the circle into 6 equal parts, so put the pinpoint here, so make an arc up here, make an arc down on the circle, so putting at this point, make an arc up. Okay, so make an arc up here and make an arc down here. So we are going to join this point together. So we join this point together. So join this point together with this point. Okay, then we also join these 2 points together to produce the hexagonal head of the boat. So that is what we are doing here now. So we join these 2 points together, and then we come here, so we join these 2 points, we join them together, and these 2 points, we join them together. Alright, so we have the hexagonal head of the boat in place. So the next thing that we are going to do here, so we also have this the thickness of this boat is 10, so it's 10, so we take 5, so we take 5 millimeters, so 5 millimeters, so this is 5 millimeters here. Okay, so we have to draw that, so we draw that circle 5 mm in radius, so it's very small, and we need to manage to draw it. Alright, so we have been able to draw it. Then so we draw small one, so small one, so with radius 4, just manage to draw that also, though it is hidden, but I'm not going to. Alright, so it should be drawn with short dashes. I'll just leave it like this. Alright, so we are done with that part, so we just leave it as it is. Okay, so make this line a thick line, and we also make this line a thick line here for the hole that we have here. And do not forget that we also have we are going to have a curve down here, so a curve down here, so from this center, so from this center here, so that will be hidden from us, to be hidden, and it goes along with this one, so we just leave it like that. So this curve now that we have here, so we're standing for that. Okay, so that is what we have there. So what else do we have to put here? So everything is in place as we have. They just need to make this line a thick line from here down, and we also make this line a thick line from here down as we have here. Okay, so then this line from here to here, this line is a thick line, and this line is also a thick line. So the slide has covered this part, so we need to make this part, so we make a short dashes line. Okay, so that is what we have here. So this is the end elevation, right end elevation. Alright, here we have the right end elevation, as we have the sectional front elevation is as simple as I've done it. Let's meet on that of the plan. Thank you, and God bless you.